and my country. Our Commissioner Secretary, Dr. Vidya Tiwari IAS, Ambrose H. Marat IAS Secretary, Education, Additional Director, Hierarchical Education, Deputy Directors, Officers and Staff of the Department, Principals of different schools, students, and most importantly, the state awardee, the district awardee are present here today, and also who are celebrating Teachers' Day in other districts. Not to forget, we are very happy on this year. Last year, not a single teachers being awarded a national award. But today, this year, I must congratulate Kambi Imre Armara for her outstanding service in the field of education, for being recognized as the national awardee this year. My dear friend, for the last 5 years, we meet like this, except for 1 year due to pandemic, and 1 year where we could not celebrate the Teachers' Day in this form. In these last 5 years, I have seen the education system. I have seen the problem which ails the teaching community, the teaching profession, and what is the best way forward. Having said that, it is not very easy, but I'm very happy and congratulate Ambrose H. Marat, IAS. For the last 8-9 years, he took the burden to face all necessity which happened in the department. It is not very easy. Education, it is not like other department. We are dealing with the living files. We are dealing with the aspiration of each and every teaching community. It is very, to say the least, that in Meghalaya, we have the highest category of teachers. But Harbani just mentioned a few. But I must tell that I've got 25 categories of teachers in Meghalaya, not only 4 or 5. One section of teachers, they have this. And like Harbani just mentioned, why not clubbing together? How will club the Catholic school, the Presbyterian school, the Balamagulay school, the school Shino? It is easier said than done. Do you think that this comment or previous comment don't try to solve the problem? But it's a gigantic. I'm very happy that in the last 5 years, I have a love-hate relationship with the teaching committee and hate-love relationship with the teaching committee. But it's all not personal. It's all professional. I have to face the bar if something wrong. And also, I am very open in whatever I see. We'll try to do, just try to do, because as I said, nothing is personal, everything is professional. We are here to try to solve the issues at hand, but it's not. But having said that, I'm very happy. I have a team from DSU office, directorate, and the secretariat level, who always understand what is the need to be done, who always know what is need to be done. We try to do many things. I think this government go into the records that have tried to do its best. How many years the student scholarship is stagnated? But only this government, from the merit scholarship from primary level till postgraduate level, you see how many years nobody revises. We try, we do. Tell me the last college with an option taken over by the government or financial aid given by the government for the last 10-15 years. But this government, 9 colleges have given people's college and many more. Not only that, we are trying to expand more. Rymbuin College on the verge of completion. Lakmen College is on the verge of completion. And also many unathletic schools. Teachers cries frustrated about salary or service condition. But it's very sad to say that government LP school, because they have no votes, many of the school building, the condition is very bad. But this government, we try to improve more than 100 schools we have done. We try to do it because where the teachers will teach, what type of building, what type of infrastructure, we have to see. We try to see that how to improve. You have seen previously once in 3-4 months, 5 months, ad hoc teachers or deficit teachers, they are being paid, getting salaries every quarter. But this year, as long as they finish to submit UC, we try to streamline. It is not very easy. We have to fight again and again with the finance department. Because I represent the teachers. I have to fight with the planning department. Because we are representing teachers. Do you think that 25% for a third assessment held back by the education department? No. Now everything is streamlined. RTI is there, everything. I cannot hide anything. Do you think DGRCA is being withheld by the department? No. But government, to work in the government, you cannot work in silo. We have to work in the system. As also the teachers. Teachers is not one. There will be no teachers if there is no school. There will be no teachers if there is no village. There will be no teachers if there is no student. There will be no teachers if there is no community. We have to balance. The system needs to balance the need of the society, the needs of the community, and the needs of the teachers. The engineer engineer will tell that there will be no road if the engineer is not there. Doctors, there will be no healthcare system there is not doctor is there. Teachers will tell no. Teach at school, not educated children will be there. Alright? We have to forget that everything revolves in the system. Man is, so to say, we cannot live. We have a society to live. We are interdependent. It is not that we can live independently. We have to live. We have to independent each other. That's why, since time immemorial, Guru Shiksha, they teach students, and the society, the relationship. Why? Because we are interdependent. We have to look what is the best. So that's why I'm very happy in the last 5 years, in spite of so many things, we try to move forward. I'm very happy the teachers, because nowadays, gone are the days that once you learn, you learn. Now you have to learn, relearn, re-educate yourself, get knowledge, reacquire knowledge, and so on and so forth. I'm very happy in Meghalaya. Many teachers took the advantage of Niksha platform, Diksha, and also the so many programs through ADB which we organize for the teachers to get the best so that they could give their students. Because students nowadays, it is not like before. They say job. We finish since class 7 till class 10, and we will give that job for our children. There are people for 30 years, the same job we will teach. But now, it is changing. When I tell my children, I try to teach them, the answer is correct. The reply is correct, they will tell me. But this is not the way at school we teach us. So that's why, as the teaching committee, we have to learn, relearn, reacquire the knowledge so that the best we could give to our students. So, my dear teachers, if we work together, I tell me, the state of Meghalaya, only government and government-aided teachers, school education I'm talking, there are about 50,000 teachers. Combined with college, there will be about 55,000 teachers, plus minus. How much is the population of Meghalaya? 35 lakh. How much the ratio of population to teachers in Meghalaya? 50? 60? Well, the people's to teachers ratio is 1:35. But in Meghalaya, we have one average, I'm talking average, 1:60 or 65 at the most. Teachers to population ratio. Why we lack in education? Why we still tell that why we have to improve more. If each one of us take a responsibility sincerely, I urge the teaching community, 90%, 95% of you are work very hard. There are some In every society, in every organization, there will be there. Which not perform to the best. So you have to mentor them, your fellow colleague. Let us do our duty. Because why? Come with responsibility. And our responsibility is more. How to see that whatever responsibility we'll try to do our best. And then once we try, no matter what, result is not important. Because once you know that you have tried your best, the result is not very. And now, you have not only to teach what is there in curriculum. You have to be the mentor for every student for what is the way ahead. You have seen the way it teaches the career of the student. And you have to inculcate in the mind of the student that life does not depend only on government job. Life is how you learn. Education is to keep you life, not only employment. So you have to teach them in such a way so that they could face any situation arise. And no situation is bad. Yes, we know pandemic. Everybody thought that pandemic is crippling. Yes, it crippled our mind, it crippled our thought process, it crippled our especially education system in the state of Lakmen. But it also opened an opportunity, ample opportunity for everybody to explore, to expand the horizon of learning, to expand the horizon of acquiring knowledge. So we should not look the problem, as I said before, inside it. We should see that problem, what that problem gives us an opportunity. Now we have seen how the student, how the youth of different parts of the state, how the technology transformed them, where through a simple social media, they could earn the living. So it is you have as the teachers kindly educate the student also how to shape up his skills, so that skills which we have, that talent which we have, he could stand anywhere, he could be someone wherever he is. So as I said, relationship. We are living in a society interdependent between teachers, parents, society, the nature, or surrounding, or ecology, or environment. So let us learn. Let us not only be a teacher. Let all of us be a learner. Learn from the trees, learn from the rivers, learn from the teachers, learn from the student. Because many things we learn also from the child. Let us continue to learn and continue to teach what we learn. It is not only the duty of the teachers to teach the society. It's the duty of our family member to teach us, especially now when we see that drug menace in the society is plenty. You as the teachers be the ambassador to get rid of all the social evils, of all the addiction from that the student will not go to. Let us build the new society together. We know we cannot have a perfect society, As I used to say, in everything there will be a problem, but we are here to solve the problem. As I said before, for the last 5 years, I have a love-hate relationship with the teachers. The hate-love relationship with teachers, but it's all professional, nothing personal. We are here to solve the society. We have to solve the problem of teachers. We have to solve the problem of education system. But together we work. We have to work with the planning department. We have to work with finance department. We have to work all line department. We have to work with the government of India. We cannot just blame when the first installment of the salary, the grant from the central government forces, they have not reached. Sanctioned very late, and this year they have sanctioned more than 10 days ago. Until yesterday, they have not credited the money to the state. It's not we will blame the central government. We have to work. What is the difficulties they have? We have to understand. We have to understand. We have to adjust ourselves. We cannot just blame why the finance department has not released 25%. No, as a teacher, I can always put blame on us. No, but we have to face the challenge because we have to solve the problem. Not, as I said, you are alone. We have to solve in the society. That's why conversation. That's why sharing of the problem. That's why it's very, very important to solve. Let us make a vibrant society through the cooperation of the teachers, the students, the community as a whole. With these few words, once again, I congratulate the national awardee, the state awardee, the district awardee, the scout master, the special educator, and all. We hope that we will able to give the society that what it is befitting in this present world. With these few words, God bless you. Thank you very much. Mithala Jai Hind.